Hey everybody, it's Brian Sanders. Thanks so much for joining us and watching this video. I'm super excited. I am here in Springfield, Vermont. We're doing the Cirrus Air and Image Tech kickoff party, and we're debuting Black Betty stacked right here behind us. Cirrus Air had a lot of options for different manufacturing facilities and partners in the United States. They chose Image Tech. Why? Because they've got the grit, the muscle, and the hustle, and are willing to roll up their sleeves, and really did, just like Cirrus Air's team. At this facility, you're gonna see electronic speed controllers being made, ESCs. You're also gonna see PCB assembly happening here, along with the flight controllers or autopilots. So let's get started with the factory tour first. Super excited to kick it off. Let's go.
We are so glad that you are here. Thank you so much for coming. We appreciate it tremendously. We have been working so hard to prepare this event for you, and it is an honor to have you, our first visitors, into our brand new factory space.
We welcome you to an acre of American concrete and the series product launch. Others talk about the American made. We built the place. Much more than a foundation, this is 40,000 square foot of proof that we are who we say we are. Here at Cirrus, we're not wrapping our drone in a flag and calling it American. We're building it piece by piece right here, and you can see our progress.
Black Betty stacked is a 31.7 gallon aircraft with a 330 pound payload capacity. These propellers are 70 inches long to give you a sense of scale. This is not a one-man operation kind of aircraft for y'all at home that are already using spraying drones. You need to know that. Also fly up to 44.97 miles per hour, almost 45 miles an hour. Current testing. Now again, this is at the time of this video, there's still a lot of data that we're putting together. Super users and preliminary testing have so far reported a 50-foot swath for the spray swath itself. What's that going to equal in productivity on 2 gallon per acre work still comes to be determined. Our super users will actually tell us what that data is in real life scenarios on American farms. Black Betty is also equipped with a full omnidirectional radar and LiDAR. So we've got multiple sensors there to protect you against obstacles and accurate, really precise terrain following. You also have the options of quick swapping a payload, so you can swap from a liquid sprayer to a dry spreader, and even a transport or a carrying module as well. Also, Black Betty has a super bright remote controller with all-day batteries, but still easy to hold. And, of course, as you've come to expect in this industry, super fast charging as well. 10 to 12 minutes per battery cycle. While we're here today, what I'm really hoping and excited for guests and attendees to see is just how different Cirrus Air is. First off, this is an aircraft built, designed, engineered by people that have been using these drones for a long time in American fields. We've never really had that kind of input or say-so or influence in the equipment that we've been using here in America. That's number one. Second, I think people are going to be really impressed with the build quality and how robust these systems are, even at their size. The other thing I think is going to be really influential and impactful for end users is going to be Cirrus's ability to solve problems and make changes quickly, because we're right here in the United States. So instead of waiting days or weeks for someone overseas to review flight logs or push firmware updates, we're going to have people in the same time zone or within 3 hours being able to update and solve problems quickly.